The future is electric, and it's being built today. As the global demand for batteries soars, researchers play a critical role in shaping the next generation of energy storage. But innovation is under pressure. Timelines are tight, trial and error is costly, and over 80% of R&D programs never reach the market. From molecule to market, faster, smarter, and with confidence, the Amsterdam Modeling Suite empowers you to turn scientific insights into real-world solutions with speed and precision. Whether you're developing novel materials, optimizing processes, or scaling up, AMS helps you stay ahead in the race for innovation. With AMS, you can analyze and predict mechanisms and processes down to the atomic level. Installation is fast and easy. With excellent documentation, detailed tutorials, and great support, you'll be up and running in no time. Accelerate your journey from research, trial and error to final product with AMS. Get in touch today for a quick demo.